Well, tomorrow never comes in life. What I mean to say is, if you have already decided to appear for your CA foundation, the first entry level CA exam in the month of December, then we need to start immediately. We already had a gap of almost 20 days, 25 days. After SYGC exam, break is over. We have enjoyed enough. We are going to chill during our course also. But yes, it's the time to start. So, we are going to start our first batch for December right from 14th of April. So, once I am beginning my lectures from 14th of April, we will start our studies for CA Foundation. We will start our professional preparations from 14th April onwards. Thank you.